Okay, so here we are. What we're going to do now is we're going to see how to import quizzes from the OpenStax management textbook into your Canvas course. So my Canvas course is already set up, and all I need to do now is import my quizzes there. So what we'll do is go first to instructor resources, and then once you're here, you'll see that QTI test bank. Obviously, it's really important to ensure that you already have your account and follow the instructions to do that. So you'll click on QTI test bank first, and then that's it. You might have to log in again, but once you've done that, you'll have access to the entire management QTI files. I made it simple for myself. I decided to just download the entire content right here. And once you do this, it'll download everything straight into a file into your computer. So you'll see this big, massive file that'll show up with everything. Now, there's a read first set of instruction that's absolutely, one of the reasons I created this video is because it's outdated. Unfortunately, the changes that were made with Canvas no longer align with the instructions that are given here. What you can do now is go to your course and you'll click on import existing content. Once you have that, it'll ask you to go to QTI. So at the bottom, don't do zip, do QTI and find your file. And so I'll start from the beginning and do this one. Now, like as I said earlier, this is where maybe what's a good idea is to just call this one what you want it to be. So I'll call mine MGMT Chapter 1 Open Stacks. Here we go. And that'll help me when I upload it, know exactly what it is. So here it is. Now, in terms of the question bank, you can create a new question bank. And so I'll call mine OpenStax. There we go. There we go. All right. Now add to import queue. There we go. Process itself is pretty quick. So notice that the file shows up here. It's currently queued. It's letting me know that I already did this, but that's fine. Now that you have all that, so now you can click on quizzes, create a new quiz, and of course give it a name. Let's see, chapter 1 quiz. There we go. And then click on questions. You don't want a new question. You don't want to create a new question. You don't want to create a new group. You want to find the questions you're looking for. So you click here, and your chapters are right there on the left. Now notice that sometimes when you upload, it'll do this right here. It'll say no name and give you some kind of a systems, what are the class that's created the system. So it's a bit annoying, but this when that happens, you want to click over here, view course question bank, and then rename it, right? So I'll just call this one chapter, I think, yeah, let's just say chapter 4, that was the last one. And there you go. All of your test banks are here. I'm going to redo all of mine a little bit cleaner, so I'll delete them all here. But let me know if you have any questions below, and good luck with your class. This should work for basically, obviously, all OpenStax classes.